start, we have to hand today under last Wednesday date another copy of the wonderful catalog issued by Crowder and Sanderson. Their motorized department rather appeals to the boys in this school, and we have therefore sent word that we should like several extra copies of the catalog. The new leather belt, just over a yard in length, for use with a waterproof coat, seems wonderfully cheap. There is also a rather attractive lamp with silvered reflector suitable for any holder, and this should take with the boys. These people are enterprising. They are inventor as well as dealers, and therefore we should be able to rely upon their motor fitting being absolutely up to date. Parachange, dear Mr. Brewer, it is to be regretted that the arrangement with the band of the Cleopatra has fallen through, but I shall be able to rearrange the program, and it will not affect the gaiety of the member of the Lyceum on Monday. We have had to reappoint the late manager of the local theatre as master of ceremonies, because he knows the ceremonial to be observed, and we shall have to reassemble the member of the chorus and readmit those who retired last June. I am worrying the decorator and doing my utmost to make these slowest of slow people finish their work. Very truly yours. Parachange, dear sirs, we thank you for your letter of last week, and we are asking Messrs. Cromwell and Warbeck of the Wentworth to look into the matter forthwith. We hope that the flow of water into the workings may dwindle away with the advent of the dry weather, and that the trouble may cease of itself. In any case, you may rely upon us to do all that we can to stop the nuisance in question. We have already told our engineer, Mr. Walter Wilson, to make close inquiry into the matter, and we thank you again for the kindly way in which you have warned us of the possible loss both to ourselves and to you, yours truly.